GSIDCन अटल सेतूर 2 विजेचे खांबे चोरयेक गेल्ल्याची कागाळ केल्ली आसा. हातूंत चोरांक बेगीन अटक करपाची गरज आसा म्हण गोंय तृणमूल काँग्रेस पक्षाचो म्हणयारो ट्राजानो डिमेलो उलयला. RDXGOA ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
Just now, it is widely reported on social media, on channels, that the GSIDC has complained to the police, Goa police, that material worth 6 lakhs and above of 2 electrical poles have gone missing. This is very shocking. Atal Setu is supposed to be one of the most thickly vehicles passing every minute. And items stolen from these poles is like there is no security at all. It's nothing but like it's a daylight robbery. The question now arises, will these people be nabbed immediately so that the thieves understand that this is not easy here? Or it will be a green pass for thieves to know that anything and everything is going to work here. Question is whether the members who are contractors, whether members of GIDC who are connected to the police are aware of it. They should be immediately interrogated and these thieves have to be brought to book so that a lesson is sent around that this is not a heaven for thieves. I demand this from the Home Minister to look into this and direct the police to get them to books immediately.